warte mal, ich muss mich kratzen an der Nase. Das ist zu kratzen.
So hello everyone, this is PokeDSC, welcome to my new video. Today I'm here with the one and only wonderful beauty pianist, model and from the Big Apple, Helena!
Hello!
And I saw a video some months ago on Pointless Vlog channel called the Pie and Face Challenge. And I was searching for months to get this game and I found it in Italy. Totte in Fasia. We play this challenge. So please give me the Sprühsahne. We have just Sprühsahne.
The only reason why the game exists is to get Sprühsahne in the face. This is too viel.
No, it's perfect. Okay.
2.
1, 2. Ah, 1 point for you. Now me. 5 times! Holy shit! Holy moly!
Let's pray.
It hurts so much. I know it. 1, 2,
Have fun.
3, 4, 5. Yeah! So now it's your turn. Okay. 2.
2. 2 again.
2 again.
Oh god.
1,
I'm scared.
2. Yeah! No, leave it. That's more funny. Okay. New Sprühsahne. A bit more now. Okay. So I have to do it.
It's a
4 times.
It's a good quality of Sprühsahne.
Oh, Ellie. 1. I'm so scared about it. 2.
Sprühsahne
On the ground.
On the ground.
And on my
On
trousers.
the
Look
table.
here.
Yes.
It looks like other white things on my trousers. Okay. 1 point each.
Okay. We only can lose. Nobody wins. Never.
Yes.
Okay.
No, 5 times.
Once again. Hello.
5, yeah! 1.
I have to close my eyes.
2, 3, 4, 5. No! Holy moly!
Well, good luck. Not.
Not good luck.
Not good luck.
4 times. Oh no!
Yes.
So come on. 1. Whoa! First time. I had it
2
in my
points for
nose.
you, 1 point for me.
Yeah.
You have it in your nose.
Yeah. It's in my
Smells
nose.
good? Smells good.
It smells
Not so
good.
much. Stop.
Oh.
There are people in the world that don't have enough to eat and
We play with
we
it.
play with it. Okay, 5 times out
The
of...
rich Bavarians.
Yeah.
Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No! No! Oh no!
It's my day. This is my game.
That's yeah. 2 times. Okay.
Vorsicht.
On the ground there's Sprühsahne. 1, 2. Yeah! Yeah! No Sprühsahne in my face.
Maybe in mine.
4. It's 4.
Okay.
It's 4 times. You have to do your head on there.
Why have you fun?
No, it's empty though.
You must schütteln. Shake it.
Okay.
I'm sure that your children
Love this game.
will
So 2
love
times
this
for me.
game.
That's easy.
No.
1.
You will.
I got it.
Yeah!
Again, the first time.
Sprühsahne everywhere.
Everywhere. So let's do this away.
No.
That's ugly. So okay, your The next row, last round.
Come on. I never will eat Sprühsahne again in my whole life. Ever. 4 und ich mache ein bisschen weiter oben. Vielleicht ist mein Kopf zu kurz.
2, 3, 4. Not 5, not 5. 2. It's 2. No,
come on, it's
again. It's 2. It was 2.
It was 5. Look,
Yeah,
okay,
3.
3.
Okay, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Ah! No! Oh no! What's this?
Yeah.
Everywhere is
We
Sprühsahne.
swear, it is Sprühsahne.
Okay, now
We're finished.
we finished
Now the people want to see the whole
shit.
shit.
So look at this whole shit. Everywhere is Sprühsahne. In my living room.
And look at the trousers.
At my trousers.
Yeah.
And on Helena's face. Smile in the camera. So this was my new video. Hope you have so much fun with this video when we have playing the
We
game.
had not. It was.
No, don't do this. Yeah. If you like it, then give it a big thumbs up. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. On Snapchat, on Pollen, and on Fuse. That's a cool app. Links in below. Subscribe to my channel and see you next week on another Sanctim Sunday special.
Have a nice day.